You know, many folks haven't really learned about the concept of diving into productivity inspiration, and that's the reason they might find it tough to break free from the daily grind. But don't worry, we're here to help with that. Here are 5 simple morning routines that can seriously boost your productivity. Welcome to Top-Tier Success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. Our mission is to guide you towards financial freedom and living life on your own terms. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on valuable insights that could truly transform your life. Step 1. Wake up at the same time every day. It might sound basic, but setting a consistent wake-up time can have a big impact on your energy levels throughout the day. Dr. Andrew Huberman has taught us about this. Essentially, sticking to the same wake-up time helps regulate your body's internal clock, which is responsible for managing your sleep and wake cycles. This internal process, controlled by a small part of your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, relies on cues like light and temperature to guide when you should sleep and wake up. By maintaining a steady sleep schedule, your SCN becomes more adept at predicting these cycles, leading to the release of hormones like melatonin that enhance sleep quality. This routine also helps regulate your body temperature, signaling when it's time to sleep. Overall, a consistent wake-up time has many benefits, like fine-tuning your internal clock that controls digestion, metabolism, and hormone release. Step 2. Craft a 30-minute morning routine. After waking up at your usual time, creating a 30-minute morning routine can set a positive tone for the day. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Limit phone use. Avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes upon waking up. It's a distraction that can lead to stress and drain your motivation. Get natural sunlight. Spend some time in the morning sun during the first hour. It helps adjust your cortisol levels, making you more alert and focused. Hydrate. Start your day with a glass of water. It rehydrates your body and eliminates toxins. You can choose cold water to boost your metabolism or warm water for digestion. Consider vitamins. Including vitamins in your morning routine can give you an energy boost. Delay caffeine. Wait 90 minutes after waking up before having your coffee. This helps you avoid the afternoon crash caused by adenosine levels rising in your brain. Cold shower. If you're up for it, a cold shower can wake up your body and mind, increasing alertness and mental clarity. Step 3. Achieve your first victory of the day. This step is about starting your day with a sense of accomplishment. It doesn't have to be something grand. Even a small task like making your bed can make a big difference. Remember the wise words of retired U.S. Navy Admiral William H. McRaven. If you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. When you make your bed, you accomplish your first task, creating a sense of pride and setting a positive tone for the day. This feeling can motivate you to tackle more tasks, big or small, throughout the day. The act of making your bed is a reminder that the little things matter, and mastering them can pave the way for success in larger endeavors. You might want to check out Admiral McRaven's inspirational speech for a boost of motivation. Jordan Peterson also emphasizes the importance of this simple act in his lectures and book, 12 Rules for Life. So, consider turning bed making into a daily habit. Step 4. Care for your body and mind. Healthy mind, healthy body, they say, and mornings are the perfect time to invest in both. Here's how you can take care of both aspects. Physical care. Engage in yoga or stretching exercises to enhance focus and concentration by grounding yourself in the present moment. These movements and deep breaths improve blood and oxygen circulation, boosting energy levels and lifting your mood. You could also opt for a morning run or gym session, depending on your preference. Mental well-being. Meditation is a powerful practice to include in your morning routine. It helps start your day with a clear mind, reducing stress and anxiety when facing a busy schedule. The benefits include improved focus, elevated positivity, and a consistent daily practice that fosters positivity. You don't have to limit meditation to the morning. It can be done at any time that suits you. We offer an in-depth meditation course on our website if you're interested. Morning journaling. Keeping a morning journal serves as a wonderful way to boost productivity and ease your mind. It's a powerful tool to manage stress, anxiety, and depression. Writing about challenging emotions helps process and understand them, leading to a reduction in negative feelings. This practice sets a positive tone for the day and enhances your overall mood. Remember, you have the freedom to choose and customize any healthy habits that resonate with you. Let your creativity shape your routine to suit your individual needs. Step 5. Tackle the toughest task first. Now, here's a practical technique to supercharge your productivity. Eat the frog first. This means diving into the most challenging task on your to-do list right at the beginning of your day. The concept is straightforward: by conquering the toughest task, you immediately gain a sense of accomplishment and a motivational push to tackle the rest of your day's tasks. This strategy not only helps you dodge procrastination but also boosts your overall productivity and concentration. Here's why it works. Once you've triumphed over that daunting task, your mind is freed from the burden, allowing you to move forward with the rest of your tasks more efficiently. You'll be mentally clear and focused, knowing that you've already achieved the most demanding part of your day. A bonus benefit is that you eliminate the unfavorable context where you're less capable of handling crucial tasks. This can spare you unnecessary stress and wasted effort. If you're curious to delve deeper into this technique, we've created an informative video on the subject. Make sure to give it a watch after this for a more detailed insight. We dropped some major knowledge bombs here, and we're thrilled to have shared them with you. By the way, we're curious about your daily morning routine. How do you stay productive and motivated each day? Share your valuable tips in the comments section below. Your insights can be truly enriching for the entire community. And while you're at it, let us know which point on this list presents the greatest challenge for you. Your input could be a wellspring of inspiration for our future videos. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, remember to show your support with a like. It really makes a difference for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for joining us, and as always, we look forward to seeing you here again tomorrow.